All right, guys. U.S. turn four. All right. For my buys, I had 76 to spend. I'm buying five fighters, one transport, two infantry, two artillery, and a bomber. Okay. Got a couple attacks to do. First one is my fleet's coming into A30. It's going to be two aircraft carriers, two destroyers, a battleship, two cruisers, two subs. That makes nine. Okay, because since you have a destroyer, I can use the subs. Um, when they go after they beat that, I'll have two aircraft carrier and a cruiser come in here to Sicily. I'm just going to go ahead and put them here to get them out of the way. Okay, and they're going to bring in seven tanks. Okay, which I'll bring up on top. Seven tanks. All right. And two mechs and tank. And I wanted to bring the AA with to land after the battle. I don't know if I can do that or not, but if I can, you guys can figure that out. I'll ask some questions. It'll come over, but other than that, I'll just leave it in Gibraltar. Okay. So that'll bring in one, two, three, four, five, six transports. All right. The rest will be non-combat. All right. So first the battle we got to do is this one here. All right. So this one will be three ships there. Oh, wait a minute. I got to bring the Italians up. So you got two AA and two German units. All right. Two AA with two German units. And then you'll have, all right, these five. All right. So you'll have three planes. Okay, and two more infantry and an artillery against that. All right, with a cruiser bombardment. So let me bring the cruiser up so I just know I got it. Forget it. Ah. And a cruiser bombardment. Okay. All right. For the fleet, all right, this is not going. Two subs. All right, so here's the fleet that's going to be in that battle. All right, and then on the other side, I am taking Hawaii back. Since you left it for me because you want Sydney bad enough. So this will go back to the U.S. And I'll bring a transport down with a tank and an infantry. All right, and but this tactical bomber, I'm going to switch out, bring a fighter down instead. Okay. All right. So that's it for the battles. Um, yeah, that's it for the battles. All right, let's see what happens. See if I get through your blockade. All right. All right. So you got a battleship. You got a battleship, cruiser, and a destroyer. All right. I got two subs. 2 destroyers. All right, two cruisers. 1, 2, 1 battleship. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 4 fighters, or 3 fighters, 2, and what you call them. Okay. So here's my roll. I need 4 hits. I got 1. Do you believe that? Look at that. 1 hit. Doesn't that suck? Huh. 1 hit. Wow. And you? 1 hit out of all that dice. And you got 3 hits. Ain't that a cracker? So I'll lose the 2 subs. And I'll lose a destroyer. You know what? I'll just damage the battleship. So the battleship will be damaged. Okay? What a bummer. You just lose a destroyer. Alright. So I got delete. 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 Battleship will go to a 2. Huh. That was a bummer. Wow, these dice suck. 1 hit. 1 fucking hit. Pardon my French. Oh, thank God you missed. All right. So I've always been told to damage the battleship. So that would be, you'd have a 3 and a 2. 2 dice versus anyway, so now 1, I hope this doesn't continue. 2, 3. All right, so I got your fleet. And you got 1 more hit. All right, so I'll lose a destroyer. Your fleet's gone. Boy, that was a weird-ass battle. Wow. All right, so now we continue on. All right, so you're going to have... Damn, this could be costly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2s, and 1, 2, 3 3s. All right, I'm going to have 7 4s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 4s. 2 bombardments. 1, 2. All right, and 4 2s. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. God, I hope this rolls better than what it did before. All right, so I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, 7 hits. You did not hit. All right, 7 hits. All right, you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 hits. Not bad. 50-50. All right. So 7, you're going to lose the 2 artillery. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Infantry gone. All right. I lose 4. All right. Okay. So I'll have my tanks left. I don't have the bombard left no more. All right. So I got 7 tanks. This is done. And you got 3 planes left. All right, so we actually can roll it all together. All right. I hit the R, that makes the dice rumble. All right, so you got 2 more hits, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 hits. All right, so your planes are gone. And you got 2 of my tanks. 1, 2. So I will take Rome with 5 tanks. Okay. Italy with 5 tanks. And I will collect their money. 1 ship would stay out there just in case. Italy is now free. Okay. All right. So, non-combat, basically. All right. 2 troops are going to go to Gibraltar. This infantry is here, or this transport's there. The fleet, what's left of it, aircraft carrier, coming down, and an A-30. All right. All right. Bomber from up here is going to pick up 1 infantry, and the bomber. Oh, and the destroyer is going to, I'll just put an A-19. All right, so the infantry is going to land in Gibraltar with Strat Bomber. Gibraltar. Take. Okay. And can't do nothing there. There. All right, so fighters and planes are going to go. This one's going to go 1, 2, 3, and they're going to land on Wake Island. These 4 are going to land on Wake Island. So I'll have on Wake Island. I'll have 3 fighter. I'll have 3 tacks and 1 fighter on Wake Island. Yeah, that'll be fine. All right, and these 2 AA are in San Francisco. This is going 1, staying there in the U.S. All right. That's it for that part. Very much left to do. All right. So then now I will place 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll replace 1 bomber and 2 infantry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. Okay. The bomber, 2 infantry will go into eastern United States. Okay. All right. And the rest will go to western. Okay. Except the transport, of course. It goes here. All right. So in western United States, I'm going to have 5 fighters, 2 artillery, a back 2 AA, 7. I'm going to have a transport. Okay. Hawaii, I got a tank and an infantry with a transport cruiser, aircraft carrier with 2 fighters, and a destroyer. Wake Island, I've got 3 tacks and a fighter. Okay. And in the Mediterranean, okay, in sea zone, whatever this is off of Gibraltar, is 2 carriers with 3 fighters and attack, a destroyer, battleship, which is damaged. Okay. It's got one damage on it. One cruiser, two cruisers, and a transport. In Gibraltar, I have two infantry, a bomber, or three infantry, a bomber, and an AA. And in Sicily, or C Zone 33, is one, two, three, four, five, six transports, um, two aircraft carriers with four fighters and a cruiser. Okay. All right, and that's it. So place my guys. All right, income. All right, so I have now 53. 53. $53 plus 10. I don't get took the guys off of Casablanca for now. Plus 10. Plus I got one of my islands back, so I get 13. Okay. 13 plus it's it. So I get 76 for next turn. All right, 76. Same as what I got before. Okay. Off to the British. Junior's going to do his thing. So there you go.